These are the elevators at the Westin Hotel in Fantech City in downtown. That's the garage elevator, but for some reason, that elevator doesn't go to the lobby. It only goes as high as this ground level right here. Blue cabs. Oh wow, ThyssenKrupp elevator modernized these. Go to 59. Here we go. Let's hope these are fast. Pretty fast. Not the fastest in the world for 59 floors, but it's still pretty fast. Let's go back down to G, which is the garage. Door modernized by ThyssenKrupp. It just keeps beeping again. A lock slower going down! By the way, if you're wondering why so many elevators are slow, my computer is sometimes slow. So that's really what's happening right now. But still, now we're in like super slow mode. Okay, at this point I'm just going to edit out some of this wait time. Over a minute and we're in the express zone. Finally at the lobby. And that's it.